So this video is going to be a demonstration of basic of bending of a container under some load. So first you have to start the workbench. So I have 2023 R1. So first we are going to do the model in the design modeler of ANSYS itself. Then we'll split the surface and we'll mesh it in ANSYS. Then we are going to apply the boundary condition and we'll see the like bending. So first I did double click on the software and leave it for loading. It will take some time. Now it is initializing the project. So this is the user interface for ANSYS. So before starting anything, so like this is the project panel. So first we will go to static structure. So this is the static structure. Just drag and place it in the main window. So first step, you can draw your design by taking this geometry, or you can draw here itself. So this is the engineering data. Like you can assign your materials, or you can create your own material by using this command. So double click on it. You will go to the material window. So here there are so many material files. Isotopic like this is the structural steel by default material. So the units also are there, like temperature and Pascal. So basically the structural steel is a default material which is present in your design model, like in design model. If you want to assign some new material to your new component, so you can take it from the engineering data source. So like here this is the material library. Now see, structural steel is ticked, so you can add air anything. So here like there are piezo materials, fluid thermal materials, like hyper elastic material, explicit material, like there's so many materials are there. So basically like we'll go for some this is the properties of the material, given material. So we'll go for uh, ANSYS material library. So just see, so many materials are there: zinc, wood, structural stress, like copper, aluminum. You can add aluminum, like just you click the plus button, so it will be added. So now you can go to filter engineering data. So now see, aluminum came here. Like that you can create your own if you want. Now for now let it be. We'll go to the project panel. So in project panel you can double click on it, double click on the geometry, so it will take you the default one. So right click, you can open it in design model or space plane. Now another one is there, that is something discovery, but generally I am comfortable with the space claim and design model. So basic like start first we will go with the design model. So just click on it. It will take some time. Here it has shown starting design model. So now don't click any button of your mouse, leave it for a while. This is the interface for design modeler. Now we are going to draw our box. Our box is 10 cross 10 cross 100. So now I'm going to draw it. So before that, we'll go to XY plane and we'll go to sketching. So after going to sketching, we'll make it parallel to our view. So we'll go here. Then now we are going to design that. So I'll take a line. So from here there is a center point. You can click on this. You can go here. Or H means it is horizontal. So now go here. Vertical, horizontal, vertical. Now this is your box. Now I want to make it 10 cross 10. So we'll go to modify. And we can go to dimension, general dimension, press on it, go here. It is showing somewhat 10. So we'll make it 10, enter. Now we'll go for this. It should be 10, 10, enter. Now the other two will take the same thing. So this is done. So we'll just click generate. Okay, now go to modeling. Now press your middle mouse button and turn it. Now if you want to extrude it, so you can go to extrusion, then click on the geometry. So click apply, not extra plane. You have to go to geometry. So you have to select this sketch. So you can get the sketch from this one. And now you click here apply. So now you can see some projection that is equal to 1 meter, but we want it 100 meter. So we'll press here 100, enter. So it is extruded. This is the preview. This is the preview of the extrusion. So now you click on generate. Now the box is generated. Now you have to go like now for our convenience. I am going to put like this is a container consider, and I'll make this like there are four thing where it will stand like where it will like the container are keeping over and over, like it will keep like one container will keep over one another one. So we can go here like can sketch. We'll go to sketch this one, then it will be sketch 2. So in sketch 2 you can select the surface sketch 2, then we'll create this surface. Now we'll go to sketching. So now the sketch will come to this surface. Now we'll make it our visual edge plane. Now we'll go to line. I'll make a box of 2 cross 2. Understood? Like go to fit. Now we'll make a box of 2 cross 2 each. Like it is 10, so we'll make a 2 cross 2. So line. This is right mouse button, press it and drag. It will zoom. So line is and horizontal line, this and vertical line and horizontal line, vertical line and horizontal line. So now I go to dimensions, general, measure it, 7 should be 2, 2, 2, This is 2 plus 2, so we'll finish it. Another 2 line. Trim it, modify. Same thing I can draw here. Like draw line. Dimension. Why I related that I will show you later. Like I'll inform you. Well, like now this is the thing we got. So just generate it and the came out of it. Now I'll go to like one main thing. Now this is a blade modeler where you will see this thing blade splitter. It will call it a blade modeler. Without this, it is called a design modeler. So now I'll go to file like create. There are so many things like slice, other things you have to explore one by one. You will go to concept tools. In tools, you'll see face split. So click on face split. Here there is a like target face. So target face is this one. Apply. Now tool geometry is this one, like this. So tool geometry will go to edge. This one and this one. This one. Just apply and generate. So you get two face now. Now check, like this is go to face, one face, and this is different. In a similar way you have to separate all the four faces like this. So we'll go for the second split. So tool, face split, target, middle button also for apply, middle button, I think middle button, apply. Now we go to this one, we go to edge, this one, and this one, and this one, apply, generate. Two faces are split. We go for another two. So now save, tool, face split, target place, apply. This one. So now generate. I'll go for last one. split. Select this. Now this is different as we have already given split, so all these are now separate. So now we'll go for the last one, this one, apply. Now this line, edge and edge, apply, and then now it becomes four parts. This is the thing, this like I'll assign them as a support. Now I'll apply the load middle point. You can apply anywhere. So before this I'll go to a sketch. So this is a thing, this is in negative y-axis. Now I will apply the load somewhat here at the middle, toward the middle. So like middle, like 2 millimeter I'll apply a load. That is kind of like 4 points of. So now I go for sketch. So create, sorry, you have to go to sketch. Sorry, why I am making this, I don't know. Delete. Yes, this also I don't want. This is the sketch for this side, this four sketch. This is this sketch, this is a look. Yes, okay. Now I'll go for another sketch. So this is in x y. So xz plane. So xz plane, sketch on this plane. This is the plane, and you will go for sketch. Delete it. I'll press the escape button. So before going, we'll go for sketch. Sketch, that is 7. And here in place of plane, we'll find a plane 4. Like this is the plane. Okay. I'll go for sketching. So I'll go this view. I want to sketch in this plane. So I'll go for this sketch. Escape. I'll go for sketch. Modeling. Delete. Yes. Delete. Yes. I'll go for plane 4. Plane 4. Now we go for other, like this. Go for this plane. I'll go to sketch. Sorry. Go for this plane. I will go for sketch over this plane. Go to sketch. Okay. This plane. Okay. Go for this. So okay, now this is the plane of sketch. First you will select the plane, then you have to click on sketch. Go for this. Toward the middle, but middle point, I'll create a surface. What to apply? You go here. Okay. So creating midpoint somewhat. It also. this line, vertical line, modify constraint. Now constraint at the midpoint. So this point, midpoint will make this. So now it is this is the midpoint. So now I'll go for draw. I'll go line. This is the midpoint. So here we'll go. So this is a length of 100. So I'll go one this like 5 this side and 5 this side. So horizontal line, dimension, general. This is okay. Make it 5. And this is also 5. And here we have two 5 line. To go for a drawing. So we'll go draw a line. This one is for vertical. This one is for vertical. Go for trim. Modify. Trim. Just go to generate, and then we'll go for a split, like tool, surface split, target one, apply, line. So now you can check this splitted. Now we'll go for mesh. Okay, now it's done. So the material you can see it here. Now see, like by default it have taken strain. So let's see, we'll see the material. We can assign it. The dimension is like the face area is 100 meters square. You can check it. You can check the moment of inertia. Other things you can check. So for that you have to go to check here. Click here. That is surface. The area it also. Like this surface will create. See, this is 450 meters. You can find the measurement. After this, we'll minimize this and we'll go to model. Then the model, you have to let it open. Model will do the meshing. Then everything we will do here. It's meshing. Then the apply the boundary condition. Then the force, everything we can apply there. It will take 2 minutes. It will take. So now see, this is the static structure interface for analysis. Now the file with this 2022 23 22 November. Okay, take a while for loading. Okay, this is our structure. So first, before doing anything, we just go click on mesh and create generate. So by default, it will create a mesh. Default mesh it will create. So this is somewhat it created by default. We don't want this, so go to mesh. Okay, go for size. So I want a mesh of 100 cross 100. So to do that, we'll select we'll go for clear generate data and yes. So now it is not generated itself. So before going that, we go for mesh, then we'll go with the sizing. So first we'll go here and we'll give go to line 1, 2, you can select all, like go to drag selection, like you can press the mouse button and you can select like this. And I can create right click, insert, sizing, then go for element size. You can give division or you can give element size, and the bias other thing you can give related. I don't want to get into the stuff. Now I'll go for simple, like 1 meter, not 1 minute, like 0.1 meter. So we'll give 0.1 meter. Let's see what is happening. Now go to element size. Here give zero point 0.1 and give generate. You click here and you can see what is the progress going on. So I think we have given some very small size. It is taking a lot of time. So I'll even stop it here. Give some large size. Like, so meshing process was stopped. Okay. Let it like let it go with the same size that generate. Because before when I was talking it was already generated data. What disturb, let it finish. So basically this is the size. Okay, let it be. Let us go with some less number. Stop it. We go for sizing. Inside sizing, we go like 0.5. So generate. And now it is taking a good number. the mesh is generated. Now, what happened here? Okay, somewhere we have gone. Hmm. Why it is happening is we have not selected this space. So in edge, I have to select this two. So we have to select everything. Let me do once more, like then the mesh data, generate data, yes. So let me give the sizing to cancel, delete this. Sorry, delete. Where's there is a box selection option. Okay, now we have selected everything. We go to the sizing and we'll give some 100. Size, okay, insert size here. Give it generate. Now see, it is a very fine mesh. You can check the mesh quality. So go to mesh, go to mesh, oh, then go to display, then you can say here like quality. Quality. This is a very good one. So now like there is no bad quality. So it is so very well. Everything is good. Like geometry, quality, other things. So now it is fine. So now it is showing any no bad element is there. It is showing no error. So now after all you go for mm, geometry. So this is the element. And I'll go for the boundary condition set. So I'll hide the mesh before hide it. So I'll go for this is geometry. I'll go for the constraints so this is your input constraint and here it will be solution. So output window, input window will be here. Right click, insert. First we go for fix support. So I want to give this plane. You can select the nodes also. So but I will this one, this one, this one, and this four things I want to give a fix support. Will be fix support and apply. So now this is fix supports. So here I want to apply some load. So I'll apply insert whichever load pressure everything you can apply here. So I'll go for force. This is the surface. I'll give some so this surface you will apply. How much Newton you want to apply? I will apply some 10,000 Newton. 10,000. Okay. Now you want to change the direction also. Direction is like this way. No, we want to give in opposite direction. So I'll give somewhat. Click here to change. So you can reverse it like see. I want this direction. So okay, apply. So like it is like this. Now we go for the output. Okay, if you want to give some temperature, you can give like room temperature, insert, you can give some thermal condition. That is total full body, so you can go full. This is the body and apply it here. If you want to give the like this much, okay. Okay, we've given this is gone. Now I'll go for output. So in output, we have to give like deformation total, then strain equivalent one mice, stress, same maximal, anything you can give. These are the output three output things you have given. Now the main thing you have to keep in your mind, like when you are going for any deformation or like buckling model, so before doing anything just go to the analysis. There is a large deflection, you can turn on it, like you can on it, like you can double click it will be on, like, or you can change here. So now the end thing is like okay, see now this is our mesh. The final touch you is a mesh. This is our fixed support. Okay, this is the fixed supports. This is a force. This is a boundary thermal condition, like okay this much. Now if you want to change materials, like see we have given structural, so we can assign or by default it will take some, like see this is our geometry model. Okay, this is a model and this is a geometry solid, so it is structural steel. You can change here, like two options will come, like aluminum and structural. Go select whichever you want, you can select. Now this is for aluminum like steel. You can see check the property of the body, like weight, height, coordinate systems like movement of inertia, axis, direction, everything you can check it here. I'll go for solution. So just setting everything, we give solve. It will take a while. Let it finish. You'll see the deformation of everything. So when the calculus is going on, it will be like this, and when it will be done, when it is finished, then it will be tick, blue tick, green tick. So okay, this is the thing. 65% is over. 78. Let's in later on I'll show you what is the parameterization. So whenever you are going for optimization and everything, you can go to the geometry solid. When you double click on the solid, like structure things, let it finish. I'll show you some later. Like you got this kind of structure, there will be a box inside near the constraint. So we will get parameter during the solution. Okay, now this is the thing we have got. Like now see everything done green, so the thing, the calculation is over. So now minimize just see, now this came as green, right? So now you can go to here, you can check like okay, this is a structure. You can go for isometric view, like how to get isometric. Okay, oh, like this is your isometric. I'll click on this. This is a thing. I will rotate it. This thing. Go to deformation. So total deformation is like this much it came. Like when very less load, when it is showing like this, you can see the deformation. And zoom it like the person. So this is your okay. This is your deformation. Okay. Just keep some. Just keep deformation with. You can go to display reset. How to do the reset? Okay. So here they are. You can press on this and number of frames you can set. You can press like see the bending. You can check. You can stop it. You can change the time it will give slow, it will give you the slow value. Let's see. Then you can go to result, and here it is a true scale. You can put it as auto scale. Let's see what is happening. Let's put it. This is true scale. Put it auto scale. It will show like the. It will show the deflect like magnified deflection path. So you can check it. Like see what is going on. This is a magnified one. Okay, but uh, generally it is like in the order of 10 to the power minus 7 meter. So when it is meter, it is 10 to the power minus 7, like it is very neglected one. But still we have given very less load, so it is deflected load. Generally we will see it in the uh, true scale. It will be very much small. Okay, so this is the structure deflection. The model is nothing but like you have to just minimize it. The result things is there. You have to just transfer this thing to model. Go ahead, you can change this to model. Where is the model? This is the model. Now you can go to the setup. Deflected. This data will be there already. So just you have to set number of mode. This number of mode you can change. Like it is 6 number of mode you want the result. So what is the result you want? So you can go here, right click, insert deformation total, strain total, noise, insert stress equivalent one. Okay, now as these are mostly same, it will be like that. Then I told you about parameter, right? So force, there is a thing like magnitude. We have applied this much, right? So if you put parameter, it will give like if you put a p, then it is a parameter, and you can change the force variable. You will put it a p, and it will just minimize it. Now see, there is a parameter set came, right? Now you can go into this, and you can do just solve. Click on solve. So the result is valid. Okay, let it finish. These are already going, they're done. So let's see what is going on. It will go. See the update. Okay, 88% is over. Okay, they've shown something. You know what I can do. So, so this one, total deformation is showing red. So we go here, maximum minimum average. We go here, damped, undamped. So damping should be see here. The main thing are output control. So here you have to give yes. Okay. The stress you have to give yes. Strain you have to give yes. You can double click yes. The deflection, volume, energy, results come okay. Black on calculation reaction results. Okay, damn program. Now we have to give them yes. The output control stress and strain should be yes because we are given that right. So general calculate reaction so more result for control. Okay. Now give limits set to range from no demand expression. Damp is it damp system? Let run it. Really fast because they are already green. As we have taken the element size very small, so it is taking some more time to solve the modal solution. 95% is done, so just 5 minutes. Just 5%. Will take some 1 minute more. So let's finish. Let's see whether it is coming properly or not. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. During the solution experiment time, like okay, lake of Ram. I don't know what happened that time. Okay, now our solutions are ready. Let's just see the modal thing. Now this is the mode number one. So you can change it like mode 2, 3. Let go with one. So if we go like this, so it will be see there is nothing. And now we go for the second mode. So this on which after third we go to different deflection. Go here like why it is very slow. Okay, and go for the tone. Check what's happening. See, now this is the third mode. It is vibrating at this much frequency. So we can check like see tabular data. It will show that for the third mode. So this is for first mode. Okay, this is for the first mode. So how to make it third mode? So go to solution. So sorry, if you go to the deformation. So we go for total deformation. We'll make it retrieve retrieve this solution. Okay. Now we'll go to third mode. Now see the frequency will change now. And this is the modal frequency for third mode. Now the graph or the thing deformation graph or the things you can check. So you can fix it. Put it basically here. What else are there? Okay, now check. See, they for the third. Okay. Same you can like that. You can check for fourth more than same. Go to deformation. Retrieve the result. Now just see the frequency. Okay, it's 10. Now it's correct. Now go and check. Okay. Similarly, you can check the other things. So after everything, the solution will be in here. This is the solution file where everything you will see like number of like okay everything you get to know this data. the frequencies, number of iterations it have done, other data you will get everything here. So uh, that's it. Thank you. So what the parameterization we'll check in the next class. So if you click double click on it, you will go to this window. Here we have set here we have given the input that this thing you can change for like if you want to check for if you want to check for 1000 and 2000, like 10 steps you can do it once, check it later, huh? So now we'll go and save this. So go to project, then here save the project. So I'll name it, I'll save it in desktop itself. So okay, save it in desktop. Here I'll put it BENDING model. So I'll save this now. It will take a while. Now this is saved. You can close this. Okay, thank you for watching. So this is the bending and modeling file. Where it came for the okay. So delete everything. Close it. This is the file. And, thank you.